Hey everyone, my name is Shoaib Azam and I'm working at $20 per hour. I'm earning a lot of money. You know, AI is spreading all over the world and there's a lot of craze behind it. There was a time people were doing graphic design, video editing, and web designing, a lot of stuff. But now AI is doing everything. So you just have to learn the business automation. Like you can give this. I'm giving the services to businesses, like whatever their team members was doing. I create the automation. Like there is a trigger, and someone clicks on the ad. It is the lead is added in the CRM, and the call should be going to that lead, and email should be sent as a follow-up after 3 days. Things like that. This is just an idea. I've done 500 plus projects on this like niche, and believe me, there is a lot of scope in this field. You just have to learn this. So please watch my next videos, subscribe me, like me, and don't stay tuned with me. Thank you.